Have you ever dreamed of creating a beautiful garden that practically takes care of itself? Imagine planting flowers just once and watching them return year after year, spreading naturally and filling every empty corner with breathtaking colors. The good news is that June is one of the best months to make that dream a reality. Today, we're revealing 14 incredible self-seeding perennials and biennials that can transform your garden into a living paradise. Once established, these plants drop seeds, grow new generations on their own, and create an ever-expanding display of blooms with very little effort from you. Let's begin with one of the most beloved garden flowers in the world. Number 1. Purple coneflower. Purple coneflower is much more than just a beautiful flower. Native to North America, this remarkable perennial has earned a reputation as one of the toughest and most reliable garden plants available today. Gardeners love it not only because of its stunning appearance but also because of its incredible ability to survive challenging conditions. The flower's distinctive shape makes it instantly recognizable. Its vibrant purple petals gracefully droop downward around a prominent orange-brown cone, creating a dramatic focal point in any flower bed. Throughout the summer months, these blooms provide continuous color when many other flowers begin to fade. One of the reasons purple coneflower has become so popular is its exceptional drought tolerance. Once established, its deep root system allows it to access moisture far below the soil surface. This means it can continue thriving even during periods of limited rainfall. Pollinators absolutely adore purple coneflower. Bees visit the flowers throughout the day, collecting nectar and pollen. Butterflies frequently land on the broad flower heads, adding movement and beauty to the garden. Even after the blooming season ends, the seed heads continue providing value by feeding goldfinches and other seed-eating birds. The self-seeding process begins when the flowers finish blooming. As the seed heads mature, hundreds of seeds develop within the central cone. Some are carried away by birds, while others fall naturally to the soil below. During favorable conditions, many of these seeds germinate and produce healthy young plants. Over time, a single purple coneflower can lead to an entire colony of flowers. Gardeners often discover new seedlings emerging around established plants, gradually creating larger and more impressive displays every year. Another advantage of purple coneflower is its low-maintenance nature. It rarely suffers from serious pest problems and generally requires very little attention once established. Simply allow some seed heads to remain on the plant at the end of the season, and nature will handle much of the propagation work for you. Whether planted in cottage gardens, pollinator gardens, prairie-style landscapes, or mixed perennial borders, purple coneflower consistently proves itself to be one of the most rewarding self-seeding plants available. Number 2. Columbine. Columbine offers some of the most unique flowers you'll ever see. Its delicate blooms appear in shades of purple, blue, pink, yellow, red, and white. These elegant flowers bring a cottage garden charm to any landscape. One of the most fascinating features of columbine is its ability to cross-pollinate, creating new color combinations every year. As it self-seeds throughout the garden, you'll often discover unexpected and beautiful variations appearing in surprising locations. Number 3. Black-eyed Susan. If you want cheerful summer color, black-eyed Susan is hard to beat. Its golden yellow petals surrounding a dark center create a bright and welcoming display. This hardy perennial thrives in a wide range of conditions and produces large quantities of seeds at the end of the season. Those seeds easily spread and germinate, helping the plant form impressive drifts of color year after year. Number 4. Foxglove. Foxglove is known for its tall flower spikes covered in bell-shaped blooms. These elegant flowers can reach impressive heights and instantly add vertical interest to any garden. Although often grown as a biennial, foxglove self-seeds so reliably that it seems perennial in many gardens. Once established, you'll rarely need to plant it again. New seedlings appear each year, ensuring a continuous display of spectacular flowers. Number 5. Bee balm. Bee balm is a pollinator magnet. Its vibrant red, pink, purple, or lavender flowers attract bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds in huge numbers. In addition to spreading through underground rhizomes, bee balm readily self-seeds. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners who want a naturalized, wildlife-friendly landscape filled with color and movement. Number 6. Purple-top vervain. Purple-top vervain creates clouds of tiny purple flowers held high on slender stems. Its airy appearance allows it to blend beautifully with other plants while adding texture and elegance. This plant self-seeds enthusiastically, yet its seedlings are easy to manage. Pollinators absolutely adore it, making it one of the best plants for creating a thriving ecological garden. Number 7. Hollyhock. Hollyhocks are classic cottage garden favorites. Their towering flower stalks can reach incredible heights and produce dozens of blooms in shades ranging from white and yellow to pink, red, and deep purple. Once hollyhocks begin self-seeding, they often establish permanent colonies. Their seeds germinate readily, ensuring that future generations continue to brighten your garden for many years. Number 8. Yarrow. Yarrow is prized for both its beauty and resilience. Its flat-topped flower clusters come in white, yellow, pink, red, and many other shades. This drought-resistant plant thrives in poor soil and difficult conditions. While it spreads through underground roots, it also self-seeds effectively, helping it naturalize large areas with minimal maintenance. Number 9. California poppy. California poppy delivers brilliant orange blooms that seem to glow in the sunlight. Once established, these flowers can turn an ordinary garden into a spectacular sea of color. Their seeds scatter freely and often germinate in large numbers the following season. Many gardeners plant California poppies once and enjoy their return year after year. Number 10. Borage. Borage is both beautiful and useful. Its star-shaped blue flowers attract pollinators while its edible blooms can be used in salads and beverages. One of borage's greatest strengths is its ability to self-seed generously. New plants emerge every year, making it a dependable addition to vegetable gardens and flower beds alike. Number 11. Love in a Mist. With its delicate foliage and unique flowers, Love in a Mist looks almost magical. After flowering, it forms attractive seed pods that add ornamental interest even after the blooms fade. When these pods mature, they release seeds that readily germinate, creating new generations of plants throughout the garden. Number 12. Rose campion. Rose campion features vivid magenta flowers contrasted against silvery gray foliage. This striking combination makes it stand out even in crowded flower beds. It self-seeds reliably and often appears in unexpected locations, bringing welcome surprises and bursts of color to the landscape. Number 13. Sweet William. Sweet William produces clusters of fragrant flowers in a variety of vibrant colors. Its long-lasting blooms attract pollinators and make excellent cut flowers. Once allowed to set seed, Sweet William often establishes self-sustaining populations that continue to bloom year after year with very little intervention. Number 14. Forget-me-not. Forget-me-nots are cherished for their charming blue flowers and their remarkable ability to spread naturally. These delicate-looking plants are surprisingly dependable. As the flowers fade, they produce countless seeds that scatter throughout the garden. Within a few seasons, you may find beautiful carpets of blue blooms appearing wherever conditions are favorable. So, which of these amazing self-seeding plants should you grow this June? The truth is, you don't have to choose just one. Combining several of these varieties can create a dynamic, ever-changing garden that becomes more beautiful every year. Plant them once, allow them to set seed, and let nature do the rest. With a little patience, you'll enjoy a thriving garden filled with color, pollinators, and endless generations of flowers. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell us in the comments. Which self-seeding perennial is your favorite, and which one are you planting this June?